Welcome back to Motech Performance. My name is Steve, behind the camera is Lee, and in this week's video we have two washes, a Mercedes and an M2, and we're also talking about our essential maintenance kit bags. So during the wash stage of the Mercedes, you might have seen this kit outside while Blake was washing it. This is the Essential Maintenance Kit by Gtechniq. Now, this has everything you need inside of it to wash your car and maintain it to a high standard. Now, we do have another kit on our website which has a bit more stuff in it if you are a bit of a novice and needing everything in one go. Rather than getting bits and bobs and accumulating it over time, you can just jump straight into a bigger bag. Now, this one on the other side is the big bag that we sell online. This one is our Motech kit. Now inside this you'll find everything, I mean absolutely everything from start to finish for your car, even drying it, and also the buckets included in the kit come with this selection. Now again, it's entirely up to you what you go for. We do include this in the price of every single detail and you can upgrade. So if you do want to go for that option, we can discuss that over the phone or via email, but that is there for you. Now we'll carry on with the rest of the video and enjoy.